What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on the Toyota Camry. We're going to actually do a little review on the iDRIVE that we installed exactly a year and a month ago. So that's actually the first video I actually put on YouTube. So if you haven't watched it, please go down to the channel and watch that video. That's again the installation of that iDRIVE. And so today we're just going to review it. I had a couple people question me, you know, oh, have you had any issues with it? It's been a year, it's been so many months, any bad stuff happened to it, any issues with the car, dealer tell you anything? I'll answer all those questions now. Let's go inside. Alright guys, if you haven't watched that video, the install video, it's actually my first video, so don't judge how my filming and all that stuff was, because it was my first video. I've gotten better, I think so. And that's what actually pushed me to start the YouTube channel. And that was actually the second mod I did on the Camry. I recommend that be the first mod on any Camry. Basically any car that has that sort of lag into the transmission. Since then, it's been a year and a month, roughly, and it's been the best thing that I could have gotten for the car. I have no issues whatsoever with the iDRIVE or the car. It's actually helped it. I ended up using different features of it, different modes. So there's the ultimate mode, which is the fast acceleration, no lag whatsoever. So the moment you press accelerator, it takes off. You feel a difference automatically. Second, I started using eco mode when I'm doing long distance driving and stuff. It just helps you. I have a heavy foot, so it helps me. You actually press down the accelerator. It's not as fast acceleration as if you have an ultimate mode or normal. So I actually put the iDRIVE here, put a little Velcro. It does bring its own sticker, but I want to do this little Velcro onto this little plain spot on the shifter. I do have an SE, so I did the install on the SE. Once again, it goes into the accelerator on top. It's a little plug. I had a couple people say that the plug is very hard to take. I used both hands and was able to do it, no issues. And I just ran the wire. I don't know if you see the wire right there. It goes through here. And I brought it up to go here. I put it up here. Again, no issues whatsoever. Make sure the installation is done right. Other than that, the car drives normal. It drives perfect. Does not lag whatsoever. Again, recommend it. Again, I recommend it to be the first mod you do. This was my second mod after the fog lights, but I 100%, you know, I backed this item 100%. I actually bought it off Ray Santos from JDM Auto Club. They had a code on the Gen 8 website, on the Gen 8 car club, and got it for like 180, 190 around there. So it's a really good buy compared to Pedal Commander. I'm not sure how that is, you know, whatnot, but I decided to choose this one, and I do not regret it. You can actually get different faceplates. I believe now they offer like black, red, blue, different faceplates. I like the white since my car is white. But like I said, rolling into a stop and then accelerating, usually the lag starts happening there. The transmission tries to grab. Transmission is not bad in this car. It's just that it's an 8-speed, so it tries to adjust to your driving, and that's what most people say, oh, the transmission is horrible. It could be, but so far I had no issues. I legit just hit 15k miles. I think I put the iDRIVE at 3,000 miles, so I had no issues whatsoever. I drive the car, it's my daily, so I drive it every single day, and I never disconnect it. I go to the dealer no issues. They never said anything that I have it or whatever. But once again, guys, this is a goodbye. I strongly recommend this iDrive for these cars. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. If you have any future projects you like us to do on the Camry, please let us know. You know, it actually helps us a lot. Sorry I can't help the guys that can't unplug the switch down there. For me, it was really easy. I'm not sure why I didn't have to use no tools for that, but just keep trying. Once again, guys, thank you again for all the support. On to the next one.